Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Gab, and I'm chilling
Max.
with Max right now. So yeah, I have this towel because it's super hot outside. Well, it was. Now it's getting windy, but yeah, whatever. So right now we're trying to figure out the shifter on the RX-7 because that's a R154 transmission, and the shifter was just not at the right spot, so we're trying to do some fabrication work to make it fit somehow. I wasn't able to show you guys the gauges install, but I'll probably do another video on that to tell you how we all wired it up and shit. So yeah, so we have a boost, a water temp, and an oil pressure gauge. And yeah, so let's get started on the shifter.
So we're just test fitting right now what side we want the bottom of the shifter to go, seeing what's going to be easier to fabricate.
So basically we set up the shifter, so now we know roughly how far we can go with it. Now I think this is going to be perfect, so we cut it earlier. I'll show you guys the other piece soon, but we're basically going to do a 45-degree angle on this, and then we're gonna put a little rod that's gonna come out to about the middle, and then we're gonna fabricate a little triangle here just for support, and then we're gonna re-weld the other piece and put on our shift knob, and then everything should be good. So let's go and try that. I'll take this back off, and then we can go and weld everything up. Alright guys, so we cut our shifter to about 45-degree angle, and then we're going to put a line on our metal rod and do the same thing to this rod, just so it's perfectly in line. And then we're going to shift. We're going to weld the shifter, or maybe cut it a bit lower or something. I don't know what I want yet. So yeah, we'll see. So let's get going with the fab. All right, so we're gonna test fit the fitment of the shifter. There we go. Perfect. Wait, it should.
So wait, Sharpie. Where's the Sharpie? Oh, there it is. I'll be right back.
All right.
About here?
A bit further.
Further out?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Looks good. Yep.
Whoop. You good?
Yep.
Do you even weld? You even weld, bro?
Fab, bro.
You don't fab?
No.
Oh,
I don't fab, bro.
This looks like some good fab.
I don't fab, bro.
This is some good fab.
I'm not a rapper.
There we go. There. Let's get some better light. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, popcorn. Some popcorn. This is some pop.
Yo.
You hungry, bud?
Yo.
You hungry?
Ready? Yep.
This is very. That's just some great safety concerns right here.
Oh, this is great.
To bouger un peu la table.
Alright guys, so we're done the little 45-degree angle on the shifter, and now we're gonna cut to our line here, but we're gonna have to cut to a 45-degree angle to go straight up with the shift knob. But it's looking pretty good. The welds were alright, but now it looks clean. But I'm not a fabricator though.
You're not a
No,
fabricator?
I'm not a fabricator.
You don't fab?
No, I don't fab. Yeah.
I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work.
Oh,
shit,
fucking foggy glass.
Okay, so we figured out what we're gonna do. There we go, straight in there. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna keep this we're gonna keep the rod out like that. We're gonna take our shifter.
We're gonna do a hole, tap a hole right here, and then we're gonna put the rod into the hole and weld the rod in there. Alright, so we got our hole done, and then this goes right in it like this, and our numbers now line up really good. So now all we have to do is basically weld this right here, and yeah. Alright guys, so as I was editing this video, I kind of realized I was missing a clip, so here I am back in the garage at like 12 at night. So here it is. Here's the shifter fully mounted. Everything works, everything's perfect. I welded this and everything worked out fine. I kind of went ahead and installed a hydro. I still have the back line to put in, but yeah, so this is the shifter overall. It looks great, it feels great, and basically this panel's kind of in the way right now. I kind of need to find a way to finish that up, but like as you can see, this thing is perfect. The only thing is when I go up, it kind of has like a higher it kind of goes higher than if I would be to pull it down, so that's the only downside, but I feel like it feels great. I feel like it's going to be really nice to drive and to shift gears, so this is perfect. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and also stay tuned for the upcoming videos because we're going through an entire build series. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys next video. Peace out.